In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive payment on Airbnb. If you're a host and ready to get paid for your bookings, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to enter so your earnings land safely in your account. Start by going to airbnb.com in your browser or open the Airbnb app on your phone. Log into your host account so you can access the settings you need. From there, tap your profile photo or icon, then open account. Inside account, look for payments and payouts. This is your financial hub. Next, select payout methods and choose add payout method to begin setting up how you want to receive your money. Now it's time to pick the option that works best for you. Depending on your country, Airbnb may offer several choices, such as bank transfer, PayPal, Payoneer, Western Union, or FastPay in certain locations. Bank transfer sends funds directly to your bank account, which is straightforward and common. PayPal and Payoneer route money to your digital wallets, which can be convenient if you use those platforms often. Western Union can be useful in places where cash pickup is preferred. Availability and speed vary by country and provider, and there may be provider fees, so choose what matches your needs and access. After you choose a method, you'll be asked to add your payment details. For a bank transfer, enter the account holder name exactly as it appears on the bank account, your account number, and any required routing, SWIFT, or IBAN codes. If you're using PayPal, enter the email address associated with your PayPal account. Take a moment to double check everything. Even a small typo in a number or email can delay your payout, so confirm the spelling of names, the sequence of digits, and the correct code format for your region. When all fields look good, save your payout method. Once saved, Airbnb will use this method for future payouts tied to your bookings. Before your first payout is released, Airbnb may ask you to verify your identity. Be prepared to submit a government ID, provide any required tax information, and confirm your address. Make sure your documents are clear, unexpired, and match the details on your payout method to avoid holds or rejections. Completing verification promptly helps prevent delays. That's it. You've added a payout method and completed the essential checks. After guests check in, Airbnb will begin processing your payouts according to the method you selected and the timelines available in your country. If something doesn't look right, revisit payments and payouts to review your details or contact Airbnb support for help.